Hello everyone, this is Charles Harper, and this is my 100% biased review for our Clickfunnels PLR that we've just recently released. And basically you're getting 20 step-by-step over-the-shoulder videos. And the videos are all step-by-step and over-the-shoulder. We're going through all of the basics here of Clickfunnels in the 20 videos. And you're getting all the graphics and source files in different formats. That you can use them. It's pretty flexible in terms of what we have available for you. And of course, you're getting all of the transcripts as you need them. The running time for the entire course is 1 hour and 1 minute. We do have the sales pages, and we also have an optional sales video for you to use. And one thing I'm really fond of doing is an expert subject matter interview. And Dave is actually a 2 Comma Club award winner with Clickfunnels. He's going to be giving us some insight on the ways that he uses Clickfunnels. So if you have questions on how the videos are structured and how you can use them, please feel free to write your questions here in the comments. There's a link below where you can get the videos at the early bird pricing before the price goes beyond the launch price. So with that, thanks, and I hope that you enjoyed my 100% biased review.